Welcome to the channel. Today I thought I'll do a quick video on Appen APX. It's one of the what do you call most talked stock for a while. It's in the AI space, artificial intelligence. But as you can see, let's try to make it. Hopefully you can see properly. As you can see from the chart, it had a bad run for a while now. You can see I just marked up to here. It has dropped 76% from the top. So in this video, let's try to find out how it is looking now, what I think about it. So as you can see, I just hopefully you can see this properly. I'll try my best. See, now this is where it is sitting. You can see my support box. So that's the support that stock had around this area, support resistance 2018 February, sort of around here, May 2018, then support here 2018, then support here 2018. So it's like 2018 sort of support area that this stock is sitting now. I hopefully I expect it to be supported here, but as you can see here, when it was coming down, I expected this area will be a good support for the stock, but it fall down badly. If you are following the few stocks like this, A2 Milk, HGL, so this is a similar stock sort of keep on falling, can't get a traction. Oh, I can't have a support area which this stock, like nobody is supporting the stock sort of, because when it is falling from here, sort of this area, I truly expected it will be supported in this support box, but it has dumped again. Now we have come to this support box. If it fails, I did another line here. If you can see the chart, that's sort of this area, which I think again early 2018, sort of April 2018, sort of that's the area I'm looking for next support. And if it fails that support, it's a bit hard. It may go all the way down, sort of around here. I don't know, unless you go to daily chart and have a look. But for now, let's have a look. So two areas I'm looking at it is this area, which is I highly believe this stock will be supported here. Again, let's say I can't say highly believe because it's already dropped from my previous box. Let's say this is probability. So there's a high probability because previously it has been acted that area as a resistance once, sort of twice, then went up, then acted as a support here, then another support area. So if you think that way, this area is bit of a significant area for this stock. Let's have a look. Another thing I want to point out here is, see these two price bands. Previously, when it is in that price band, it tried to go up, came down, retested the support, tried to go up, hit the top price band, came down, retested, go up, came down, then finally break through. Let's hope history repeat again. Now we are trying to go up. Sorry, I'll remove this magnet. Let's hope the history repeat. Try to go up, came down, retest this support, then let's say try to go up again, maybe fail, then try retest the support, and hopefully eventually goes up. If this sort of history repeat, that's what I am expecting. This will go in between these price areas, $10 and $15 for a while, retest this resistance and support, then eventually will breakthrough to the upside, something like this, similar to this. That's the, let's say, best case scenario I'm expecting. Worst case or bad scenario is it break through this support area and come and retest around this $8, probably $8 psychological level, $8 probably psychological, sorry, $8 mark, like this area from 2018. That's the, like the, let's say, bad case scenario. This is the good case scenario, this is the bad case scenario which nobody wants. But again, if you want to buy this stock, it is in a sitting in a bottom, like a support area. You can take a risk and buy it, expecting this scenario plays out, and you can put a tight stop loss here just below this box, probably $9. Yeah, maybe $9, $9.20. In case if it drops down, so you will not lose that much money. That's how I would play this stock at this stage. But since it is going down, it's like a falling knife. I would wait. I will not get into this stock in a hurry, because you never know. It may be like A2 milk or AGL, so it keep on falling. So yeah, like two things. You can play like two ways if you want. Buy it now, assuming it will go up, play out this scenario, or buy it with a tight stop loss. So if it falls down, you will not lose that much money. So those are the two options at this stage. And again, if you know RSI, relative strength, what's it, RSI meaning, so relative strength index. So RSI is, if it is low, means like sort of oversold here. If it is up, it is overbought sort of here. So as you can see, it is in this low level, means sort of get into oversold, like sold, like a lot of like selling has happened. That's why it is sitting low. So RSI point of view also, it is looking good, but mainly the sub, if we had to go by support and resistance, those are the two scenarios. Can go up this way or it may come down, and like I said, you can play the two scenarios the way you want, or otherwise you can play the waiting game and see how this is going for a few weeks, then buy the stock if you like. That's all for Appen. If you like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you need any other stocks you want me to have a look, please let me know in the comment section. Thanks.